Hey guys, my idea for my business is a lawn and pest control service. I decided to name my business Parallel Lines Lawn and Pest. The reason why I chose parallel lines is because when I mow, I try to have my stripes parallel. I just thought it was kind of catchy. So the service that I offer is a detailed professional lawn and yard care. So I mow lawns, I pull weeds, trim bushes, trim trees, everything like that. Also, lawn and garden fertilization, and then environmentally safe pest control. This one is important to me because I really want to offer something that is safe for homeowners and pets. My customer segment right now is mainly in Utah County, just because that's where I live. Eventually expanding to Salt Lake, Juab, and San Pete. Right now, it's mainly retired seniors, just because they can't mow their lawns or too busy, don't want to do it. But I want to expand to businesses, also high-end communities. And then for the pest control and fertilization, that's just basically everybody. Everybody needs pest control and fertilization, so that'll be marketed uh, towards basically everybody. My value proposition is to serve all customers with the mindset of returning in the future. Um, so with that in mind, like my services are weekly and monthly based. Um, so to get customers and get um, profit, basically, is that I've got to have the service to be affordable, dependable, um, so that they will keep me in mind because the competition is so high. My first concept is bootstrapping your business. So, bootstrapping is basically using all of your resources to build your business so you don't have to use debt financing. Some examples that I have that I've actually used for bootstrapping my business is I competed in the Bootstrap Your Business at Snow College um, last year, and I won a couple of the rounds and got about $1,000 out of it. With that $1,000, I bought a backpack sprayer for pesticides, and then some other licensing and tests and stuff like that for my pesticide license. Also, I've used um, I've done a lot of the work myself um, by purchasing used equipment and fixing up old equipment so that I can do that service. So with debt financing, um, the reason why I don't like that so much, if I wasn't to bootstrap, I would use debt financing, but that would uh, have me owe a lender money, and I don't want to do that. So my second concept is marketing. Marketing is in this class has helped me um, a lot, and I've applied it a lot to my business. So marketing is basically getting someone interested in your product enough so that they will purchase it. Some examples of marketing is publicity, personal selling, and advertising. An example of a marketing business is called Valpak. This business um, will sell, or you can buy a section of their newspaper basically, and they will advertise for you to your target market. So I actually talked to a representative of Valpak, but they're pretty expensive. So he asked me kind of basically what my business was, who I wanted to market to, and then they would get demographics and stuff like that and market um, to certain populations that my business would grow. But their advertising or their market was about $1,000 a share.